Hey guys, welcome. So I was talking to my brother-in-law last weekend. He's been sitting on the sidelines of crypto for like 2 years now, too nervous to actually get into anything. And he asks me, how do you even know what's real anymore? And I just kind of laughed because yeah, that's the right question actually. That's the question that took me a few years and some real money to figure out. The honest answer is you don't know until you've put in the time to check properly. There's no shortcut around that part. Okay, get Flash BTC. It has been sitting in my regular rotation for about a few months now, and the reason is straightforward. Every time I come back to it, it's the same platform I left. Same features, same pricing, same behavior. So here's how Flash BTC actually works when it's legit. First thing is picking a quantity of tokens, 4 different packages showing, pricing is laid out clearly, each one has a recommended use case. I'll grab this one, then visibility duration, scale runs from 1 hour all the way to 7 days, so going with 24 hours for today's video. Next step, selecting the network. Yes, it's correct. Then the target address. So I'm opening up my wallet, grabbing the BTC address, flipping back over here, dropping it in. Yep, looks right. And final step, hitting the Get BTC button to continue. Awesome, payment screen comes up. 2 options showing here, direct send or wallet connect, but I'm going with direct send. It's the cleaner option to follow along with. Also, I like that this part isn't rigid, like I can come in with whichever coin is just sitting in my wallet, so I'm choosing this one. And nice, 1 Bitcoin generated and on their way. Just need a couple minutes for balance confirmation to land. Good, so while that's coming through, a few things that have actually built my confidence in this platform over time. And this is the non-negotiable for me. Every transaction is verifiable on public blockchain explorers that have 0 connection to this platform. Real on-chain activity, independently checkable by anyone. Not internal metrics, not dashboard numbers, their own system generated, stuff you can actually go look up yourself right now.
The way I developed this whole verification approach, I had a couple of situations early on that cost me real money and pushed me to actually build a process. First time around, I just didn't know what I was supposed to be looking for, trusted the wrong indicators and paid for it. Second time, I thought I had it figured out, but my version of careful at that point was still just looking harder at their own data instead of stepping outside their system entirely. Both of those experiences ended up being genuinely useful though. They're the reason I built an actual methodology around this instead of just going on feel. Alright guys, description has the link if you want to get into it, but the way I look at it, and I mean this genuinely, the most valuable thing you can do with anything in this space is run your own test. That process builds something no video can hand you, actual first-hand knowledge, and that's worth a lot more in the long run than taking anyone's word for it, including mine. Take it easy guys.